Lesson 2, Session 1. If you are watching this video, that means you have your math workbook out. You have also already tried to complete the problem on page 17. It looks like this. If you've not tried it, please pause the video, try it, and then resume. Now that you've tried this problem, I'm going to show you how the answer should be written. Carl filled the clear box shown with unit cubes to find its volume. The unit cubes all have a side of 1 foot. What is the volume of the box? Well, we can see here that there are 6 cubes. If we want to do some multiplication, we do 1 times 3 times 2, because it's 2 high. You'd get 6. The question here is, what is the volume, and what is significant about the feet? Each side has a length of a foot, and since we're doing volume, it is feet to the third power, or feet cubed, or cubic feet. You can write it a lot of different ways. I think the way I wrote it first is the best way. You could write it this way, just more letters. 6 feet cubed. Similarly, let's say we had a box that looked like this, and I told you this was 2 inches, and this was 3 inches, and this is 4 inches. Well, in that case, we would find the area of the bottom, which would be 2 times 3 to get 6, times 4. So we would get the area of the 6 times 4 would give you 24. And how would we label that? We would label that inches to the third power, or inches cubed. I'd like you right now to turn to page 18. You're going to solve question 1 after you pause the video. When you're done solving it, resume, and we'll see if you got it right. Go ahead and pause right now. All right, he should use feet cubed. We talked about that on the first slide. And in order to find the volume of the box, he multiplies length times width times height. I mean, he could also count it. There's only 6 boxes. Pretty easy. Number 2, look ahead. Volume is measured in cubic units. Things that you need to make sure you know for this. Cubic units, super important. Here are some cubic units you might use to measure volume. Inches, centimeters, feet. They would all be inches cubed, centimeters cubed, or feet cubed. You'll see this problem right here. Carl has another box. As shown, what is its volume? You probably already know it. It is going to be 6 inches cubed. What is the same and what is different? Now let's look at question 3. What is the same and what is different about the volume of Carl's 2 boxes? Well, they are both 6, but they have different units. There you have it. Super simple session 1 today. If you still have questions, go see a teacher and you can get some help with that. And if not, you can move on to your practice. Good work.